Spirit Shady, the Law of Attraction. Hey Mountaineers, meet Spirit Shady, an adventurous wanderer with a magical cap and a heart full of light. Your thoughts are your power. Your feelings are your guide. When you choose a better feeling thought, your glow grows. Whisper with Shady. Shine inside, shine outside. In the stillness of the forest, a little firefly named Frankie felt dim and small. "I think I've forgotten how to shine," he whispered sadly. Spirit Shady appeared with a twinkle in his cap. Your glow follows your thoughts. Think brighter, shine brighter. "But I'm too small," Frankie sighed. "Even the smallest light can brighten the darkest night." Shady grinned. Frankie imagined happy moments. Friends laughing, leaves dancing, the sun's warmth. His glow began to spark back to life. Together they walked the forest paths, glowing brighter with every step. "When you shine," Shady said, "you help others see beauty too." Doubt crept in. "What if my glow fades?" Frankie asked. "Shadows fade when you shine," Shady reminded him. The more Frankie chose good thoughts, the stronger his glow became. "Your light grows when shared," said Shady as the forest shimmered. Frankie's glow lit the entire forest, drawing animals from near and far. "That's the magic of believing in yourself," Shady said. Frankie smiled, proud of his spark. "My light can help others shine too." The glow within. Spirit Shady tipped his cap. One good thought makes your light grow. Your glow brightens the world, and the world shines back at you. Repeat after me. I shine inside. I shine outside. My light is strong. My heart is bright. Shady whispered, "When you remember your glow, you help the world remember theirs." Thank you for joining us on this journey. You've walked with Frankie and Spirit Shady, and now it's your turn to practice the law of attraction. First, give yourself a moment to wiggle, stretch, or sigh until you feel just right for our journey. Great! The law of attraction is simple. What you focus on grows. When you think of something that feels good, your whole world begins to glow. Let's take 3 breaths together now. Inhale. Light in. Exhale. Shine out. Inhale. Feel joy. Exhale. Let go. Inhale. I glow. Exhale. I grow. Now imagine holding a little spark of light in your chest. Each time you think of something you love, A smile, a song, a friend, a dream. Your spark grows brighter. See it filling your whole body, spreading into the space around you, and shining into the world. This is your practice. Each day, choose one thought that feels good, and watch how your light attracts more goodness. Your feelings are your guide. When it feels good, you're on the right path. Your glow is your gift. Your thoughts are your power. Remember Spirit Shady's mantra. Repeat after me. I shine inside. I shine outside. My light is strong. My heart is bright. I shine inside. I shine outside. My light is strong. My heart is bright. Carry this with you, Mountaineer, and watch the world shine back. Hope to see you back on the Mind Mountain soon.